Hello, today we're going to do our Phase 5 phonics and this is for Friday the 8th of January. As we begin, we'll start with our high frequency words from Phase 4. What, like, out, do, were, little, one, there, just, help, from, went, it's, oops, and then the two from yesterday, said and so. Okay, if you want to go back and do those words again, you can. You can just stop the video and go back again to the beginning. Right, we're going to be looking at the phoneme E today. Now, when we think about E, these are the two letters that we usually think about, E and E. These two letters, when they're joined together, also say E, the letter E and the letter A. So let's start, first of all, with our sentences. We're going to play a game called sentence substitution. We've played it in school already, and it's the sentence, and we'll see which words have got the E sound in them. Let's read it together first of all. Paul eats peas with his meat. Now, can you look at that sentence again and see how many of those words has the E spelling of E and A in it? That's right. We've got 1, 2, 3. 3 of those words has E-A, E in it. Here, here, and here. Now, I want you to see if you can spot which of those words has changed, has been substituted in the next sentence. Okay, let's have a look. Paul eats beans with his peas. Paul eats beans with his peas. Not sure I'd like to do that. They don't really go, do they? Okay, which word has been substituted? That's right. This one doesn't have the word meat in it, which is the new word that has been put into that sentence. It's the word beans, isn't it? We've still got the word peas, although it's in a different part of the sentence. So we started with Paul eats peas with his meat. Paul eats beans with his peas. And we'll have a look at the next one. There we go. Paul reads when he eats his beans. Okay, so have a look then. How does that differ from the previous one? Paul reads when he eats his beans. Well, see if you can spot, first of all, the words that have got E in them. Let's have a look. There's the word eats again. We forgot that one again. And we've got the word beans again, which is the new word. It's reads, isn't it? So, read with me. Paul eats peas with his meat. Paul eats beans with his peas. Paul reads when he eats his beans. Okay, one more. Let's see if you can spot what the substitution is this time. Okay. Phil eats peas, meat, and beans. Okay, have a little look. How many of those words in that sentence has the E phoneme in it? Phil eats peas, meat, and beans. Let's have a look if we can identify them. Eats, peas, meat, beans. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that what you said? 4 words. Well done. Okay, now you will need your piece of paper and your pencil. You're going to do some spellings and we're going to segment, and I'm going to show you how we can spell these words. So the first word I want you to have a little look at is, there's the word see with EE. Here is the word see with EA. So they both sound the same, but they've got a different spelling and they've got a different meaning. So this one, to see, with your eyes. This one, does anybody know what this is? This is, yes, it's the sea at the coast. Okay, let's have a look then. See. Get your pencil. I'm going to put my sound buttons on. See. Could you write that down, please? The next one, we're going to segment it before we add our sound buttons. Eat, eat. That was one of the words that we had in our sentence, so you should recognise that word. Meat. Next word. I'm just going to pause the video because we're running out of time and we'll have part 2.